Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious pork vindaloo, step by step. First, let's prepare the marinade. You'll need 1.5 pounds of pork shoulder, cut into 1-inch cubes. Grind whole spices such as cumin, mustard seeds, and cloves. Then mix these with vinegar, fresh garlic, ginger, and a touch of turmeric. This vibrant marinade is crucial for flavor. Let your pork soak in this mixture for at least 2 hours or, ideally, overnight in the refrigerator for the best results. Once your pork is beautifully marinated, it's time to start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a sturdy pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Sauté 1 large, finely chopped onion until it becomes wonderfully soft and translucent, taking about 5 to 7 minutes. Next, add your marinated pork to the pot, browning it evenly on all sides. Finally, pour in 1 cup of water or chicken broth, bringing the entire mixture to a gentle simmer. Now for the magic of slow cooking. Reduce the heat to low, cover your pot tightly, and let the vindaloo simmer gently. This slow cooking process is key to achieving incredibly tender pork. Allow it to cook for approximately 1 to 1.5 hours, or until the pork yields easily to a fork. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a small pinch of sugar if you like. We're almost there. Uncover the pot and increase the heat slightly to allow the sauce to reduce. You want a rich, thick sauce that beautifully coats each piece of tender pork. This might take another 10 to 15 minutes. Once it reaches your desired consistency, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro for a vibrant finish. Serve your piping hot pork vindaloo with fluffy steamed rice or warm, soft naan bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.